खुलुमखा उद्देश्य जे आं सिमानि बनो TTADC ni elected MDC hनै samania o jaga o na ang sana musu tabo je organize khainai jahotu honorable MDC Rajeshwar bo o jaga khaika ba a jaga o bono ang masaka haise enka omo boje khaimani omo je jotunu include khaya barin khaya amo jodi mistake ka next time correct ma khainai but om haika just defensive ha jotunu call khaika akukha defensive mechanism by engya serai joto lukurok nogoi tongo serai khnai rok nogoi tongo o jagao tini o jagao bomhai bororok participate khai tai bomhai bororok exclude ngi tong khoroksa other than politicians nor a jaga dai sutru nukha doctor phan ngi mangkhamo engineer phan ngi mangkhamo kaisa film director tab sorodriang songai phan ngi mangkhamo media professionals jok bang mangkhamo chini bisingo si tongo social activists internationally renowned dara Anthony Songhairo borno phan nugi mangkhamo phiawa nugia just because you are elected does not mean that you become the whole custodians of the indigenous community eko om hairong sung voice might clai lainai in the days to come sung ama salainai organizing committee busuk TTADC ni phan nakha sung amrong no busung jasai khai manalainai angka jodi si omo TTADC ni program gangkai omo to officer rok se committee khainai borok invite khaina nangmani inkamo phiabo o jagao elected members rok se borok committee khai tongkha angka norok civil society sin through ri mangkhamo cultural activists rok no encourage khai mangkhamo but bibag jagao no na politicians elected member rok khai ngangkai what is the meaning of the state missionaries alka je exist khaimani amno kuno meaning kare society cannot be governed only with one section of people o jagao joto section ni population ni contribution by se society ran nai ekai je society nini intellectual rokno borom ria nini sikrung rokno borom ria nini resapnai krung rokno borom ria nini journalist rokno borom ria nini kucu rengsireng nogo phrungnai rokno nang borom ria tai nini a jagao para tonginai je wanai krung nok tangnai krung borno sinung borom ria hangkai nang a jagao indigenous community ni je World Indigenous Peoples Day celebrate khainai amoni ortho tamungkha mo o jagao haini elected members ro wari khailai nai mang borong mang aprani borong no glorify khaina bagi to World Indigenous India World Indigenous Day speaks to our culture folklores folk tales chini is a traditional medicine healing dai chini chamung nung bai gadalja amai khaimang kang kasi seng nai plus grassroots participation nang nai or to grassroots participation dungya neng om hairo ko sabuba yes borok society ni chiefs rok no call khaika well and good but along with that nang real issues no ber khaina ba kaisa songgothon kotorma tongi tong o jagao Tripura ki civil society komungkha social media horsa na horo saka hangkana 100 200 300 borok je different unique change maker society ni je indigenous activist borno to sung tubi mano romors namnai kereng ritak nai kereng kisib wanai kereng dula wanai kereng tai tamo nangu cokam wanai kereng tupi wanai kereng wani am hairon musung tuwi mamle because that is what is indigenous knowledge guiding tangnai kereng om hairong no tini om hairogo salai kang kasi new education policy bo jeng even academic syllabus ho je chini tangmung chini chamung chini songmung chini recapmung omaga khaikang kasi flourish nai but azagao nang sai ka politician mane joto MDCs EM MLS invited all are invited amhai bayable karon nang kaisa responsibility convener manjak nini responsibility kosto khainai joto section society not the best of the best no tuinai srungnani si o knowledge gap ni no gap nuginai ang nijik masai ka omo je sabno bo nang exclude khlai sabno bo nang include khlai okay tabuk to ojo media journalist rogno azak saya nengya khaine rang maya khaine sorkani beton bumaya mas pension umaya tubu phanase blogs run khayo YouTube page run khainai jatini মানে indigenous lifestyle tai culture no promote khai tong ga odino chung asrai rok no kisapon chung khai meya tai what is the level of school level ni students tai gen zero ni participation tini nukha I don't know it's quite doubtful ga o jaga wo haina kaisa section of the bini generation ni borok bai a circle ni tonglai pereng mabai to amo ngani kobia Piaba ang je ang wansong mani je ang simani je pori mani simani no tui nai siring tongi malia. Tamani himalat situtui nuktutui siring tong kang hangkai omo bo kaisa pa. Naka ang je ok kubui kok samani no je sa jagi ang nai phan tong hangkai amone bui khulumka উদ্দেশ্য যে ang simani bono titi edisi ni elected MDC hnai samania. Fiaba sarahayung gedalino saimano tini sarahayungni je International Day for World Indigenous Peoples Day ni celebration in order to honor the midwives tarmane u je parao age bui serai banani somoyo je asubana yogno amno no midwives ga amni cruises kang hangkai je health workers rok tabung nurse panungka jes panungka women representation is very important hangka tabu jeng indigenous day hangkai bomno indigenous hunjak culture bai je krungjak firstly environment bai je tongnai rokno tai sini culture dress by sini household items material culture sini folklore folk tales sini kok samani seinai krung mosanai krung folk dancers folk singers all this comprises of indigenous lifestyle and nature fiaba tini ang nungmani nga ko om haisi o jaga o je Rajeshwar Debroma ni je convener shibo am haikai honor khaijamaro bu nuglia fiaba omo kaisa TTADC by sponsor khaijak program nei ang khnawo hangka omo to byaktigoto ni whimsical idea by khain ya indigenous community saboba tini o jaga sengtam nukha only elected representative rogno boro bisilbak ajaga importance ri tangi thango phiaba society consists of writers journalists filmmakers indigenous singer indigenous dancer wakrung seikrung ritaknai krung e am herongno bu honor nani tongmani nukha kisa masa rutsowo je jasu independence dewo staging the independence duinai kaisa koisu dance khaima bai obokha sung om high lifestyle jodi follow khainga kai the real celebration of indigenous day omo meaningless ngai thang om hai salo sung baiga khailai ka chaimang khamo ani wana mani gang ka om hai se nini age sung TSF khaipuro ongthang ba je kuno movement khaimano ongthang sung অনেক বড় রোগ जों गदालजा फियाबा this time o jaga wo baiga khaika in a short span of time amo hotspot ka khaijaginai amo ngai thangka फियाबा o jaga wo nugya je khoroksa seikrung khoroksa rasamnai krung ba khoroksa scholar writer am hairokno je honor imani bu nugjagya parani tubuinai je kaise musician ba je musical instrument of practice khai tongnai am hairono bu honor imani nugjagya tai o jaga wo je midwives ni je khaimani a concept amro no bu debate khaya lama himlai hai masalai nai sorkani rang lakh spend khaima bai tongya ko om hairono no public ta younger generation boys riwiti sanana nai je kuno society যদি সে academicians tai artists tai filmmakers tai handicraft experts tai om hairono jeng dia hangkai the whole concept of indigenous community no neng celebrate khaimani ta meaning khaba amni saibu tongo je traditional healer ro osai khai tongnai ro motai khainai krung ro om hairok se salainai chungba chungsa khainai asuk lakh rang taka khorcha khaimani baiba kaisa publication kaisa production am hairok khaimano phiaba tini amni bisingo butongo je tabuk to society change ni thangka social media ni ju o jaga wo kok borok tai vernacular language tai indigenous language no tuyoi media tei activism khai tongnai tong including norok hai media rong bu ini khoroksa media je jati no tui indigenous issues no tui nai media activist rong no khoroksa no pan 5 taka ni kolom da reja kha reja gya ke sabni bagi tini o program khai kya sabno ba khak ya bo am tui ingkha ajaga wo ang sunil koloi ajaga manjani amani ko gya Sung, we are indigenous activists. Nogo tongi bu sung every day sung we are involved with the environment, indigenous activism, documentation, writing by sung among itong. Piaba as a symbolic representation. Nung job je jaga nung mana government fund by bu nung politicians rong nung honor khaika. Ba nung politicians rong no ajaga rihin ka. Nga society ba sudu one pillar of democracy by nyabla. Society wo democracy wo tongo 4 to 5 pillars of democracy and 5th pillar of democracy ngaka people's ni voice ni je movement omro buchi ni rights tong ngaka o jaga wo na ang sanamu su ta bo je organize khainai jahotu honorable MDC Rajesh Rai omo bu kaisa pa ngaka ang je o kubui kok samani no je sa jagi ang nai phan tong hang kai amole buini be parangka phiaba sing sini culture no sini community no Isana ni hingga gelak, kaisano kagui, kaisano akui, omok ingka. Neng, Anthony Dewa mahai borok, as internationally, tu tong hangkai, bono kaisa kok sana ni, just bo elected members singya, neng bono hangkai neng ringan ni muito krika. Do, sung to belai zunia, belai tola ni borok sung, academician panangka, just panangka, piaba, NITO pernai, Devdulal Tripura song hai tongo, Professor Devdulal. Culture tu ini bo belai active university was tong Professor Mohan Chong Hairo tai senior tong boro Hairo no pon nor ringi mang khamo but di deko totally cut off but younger generation tamanai they want to link with the intellectual and the students because youth money to students na kanang o jaga wo politicians rong ni makang simi naina ni bagai indigenous community palai kan kai that is a complete failure and we need to change this mindset of je politically centric je program khaimani rok no TTAD sing thung state government thung amno belai chung encourage khaikan hang ka jaya because public fund public na arosogina ang thung public program public organize khainani ang thung Bibak jaga wono politicians hat tari theng haise hayang gangkai baskang ni salo belai author movement ngnai omo kunu khoroksa ব্যক্তি ni bagi samania the whole system of tamani erani o message everywhere hayang gangkai will be going to the dark we need to transform our mind we need to work for development and we need inclusive society a nation grows when every knowledge keeper mane na MA pass BA pass mi knowledge keeper ya intellectual mane na BA pass MA pass PhD khaisak mane knowledge keeper ya knowledge keeper gangka je parao osai khainai je kisi wai tongnai je dol wai tongnai yangkhong wai tongnai violent wai tongnai oma hai rong ni din se tini elected representative rong ni din ya angomo tau sanai ulobu sanai same face everywhere ambu saya semano je khaimani a borong stage asokja takalai bo amono asokja ambu saya ketal faces various themes knowledge amo je documentation ro khainani indigenous knowledge to spread khainani haike je jeng sara waldo sini knowledge system soginani pheba jeng gangkai sapresi khailayo am haikele India Society is not governed only by politics. Society is also governed by other things. So, public na ang omno sanamu su kubai kok sanani takiri di come up and speak for the truth. Karon sung kubai kok sawinai sung regret nani kogya. Piaba society no si sung contribute kainani nanai. Buyam siapa nang kena hotabo bofana saja yang imana ba bini koizana saputra pan saja yang imana tamu okosaka Sajak mani sajak yani amke emotional ni bebar. But je dud no dud ma hanai, je hangar no hangar ma hanai, keprap no keprap ma hanai, ketui no ketui ma hanai. Amo ang samani karon bu sudo ani voice ya. I said this is the voice of millions of people. Joto Tripurani public no omai feeling itongka. Our society is tamon borok bubagrani mungno simina lainai, bubagrani okono simina lainai, bono oko kaika, hai kaika, tai alka kogu tongo, keba amrongno sana thangya ang, but bubagra tam naiba. Bubagra hai leader to tong Tripura raijo ba sara Bharoto. Je genang gerei henia, bigra kangal amai henia, joto level bai si tong itong. Yang tini bubagra si para thanginai masaya manengya joto community tongman gangkai. Neng konbena, maybe you are elected member, neng ke busuk jani ingka ba. Je Agartala centric ni nai, only certain group of people centric kai nai neng sauna bari hin sauna bari nyangka. Omno huni mana nabo, je angkor maya nih, angkor mana nanya, social media nugi tomo. Pia ba, representation on the stage je numane a program amo, taisa nai thogri klaimang kamo. Jeng hairong no sakang kangkai jeng contribute kaiman. Pia ba, neng letang ni bagai amo kamang si yang kaba. Borong ni organizing committee ni bisingo no borong ni bisingo kok bang lai tong. Nengkan please public fund by sorkani rang by om haikai mismanage tak hai ni. Hayang kangkai we will be bound to ask you the expenditure for pie to pie o program o besuk rang sanction sorkani mangka da maya ba biang ni collection kaika besuk amo khorsa thangka. Omjuk sawina ang tini joto lukuni tapuk tai bukuk rongno hambaya farei ani kok orno mothageri kha.